Hi guys, this is Yashwant and you're watching Side Tutorial. Hope you guys are doing very well. And in this video, we are going to discuss what makes Java a platform independent language. So, what do you mean by platform independent? So, we will see it by simple example. So, suppose if you consider me as a developer, I will generate a Java file, right? So, I will convert it to some class file by compiling. So, after compilation, what I do is I will give this class file to some of my clients to execute and get the output. So, it's not mandatory if you consider. It's not mandatory for each and every client use the same systems. They might be using different OS. They might be using different configurations. So if you consider, some of my clients are using Windows OS, some of them are using Linux OS, some of them are using Mac OS. And again, in Windows OS, some of them are using Intel i5 32-bit processor. Some of them are using Intel i3 64-bit processor. And like that, we have a lot of configurations. So irrespective of my configurations, I mean system configuration, I have my Java output has to be same for every system. So how we can achieve that one, we will see. So if you consider me, I'm using Windows OS Intel i5 64-bit processor. Okay, so I install some JDK regarding that configuration, and what I'm doing is I'm compiling my Java file to class file. So what Java compiler will do is irrespective of my system configuration. So it is totally independent. So this class file will be generated. So because of this class file is independent, what I'm doing is I can give this class file to any systems. I mean any clients. So I'm giving this file to two persons. Suppose one who is using Windows OS and second who is using Linux OS. So they installed in the Windows JVM and Linux JVM. So because it's different JVMs, they definitely have different set of rules. So right. So what happened is because it is different rules, it will generate different binary codes, and this binary code will be executed by the same Windows OS system. So this is the Windows system, the same configuration. I mean the same system only. Just like the same way here also, this binary code too will be executed by the same Linux system. Okay, so at last we get some output. So here also we get some output. So this output will be the same because of these rules. So these rules makes uh, any JVM to get the same output on any system, right? So if you consider, when I like in the last video, if I when I teach to guys what's how to compile, and after compilation again we need to convert to binary code, right, to execute. So these are the three steps we are doing. If you see these three steps, our recommend is to convert a high level to low level, which is binary code. So these are so why not be converting the high level to binary directory? So this is the reason. So we want our Java application to be platform independent. That's why we need a some file called .class file. So hope you guys understand how, right? Irrespective of the JVM. So because even though JVM is platform independent, I mean JVM is platform dependent, this is the reason why we get the same output in every system.